Ever wished your dustbin could open automatically when you bring your hand close? Well, today we are making that dream a reality with a mini smart dustbin. In this video, we build a contactless dustbin using Arduino, servo motor, an ultrasonic sensor and some simple cardboard crafting. Let's dive into the project. Here's what we will need for this project. An Arduino Uno, one ultrasonic sensor HC-SR04, one servo motor, a USB cable, some jumper wires, a 9-volt battery with a battery clip, a piece of cardboard or a small cardboard box, cutter, scale and glue or tape. Let's start by building the mini dustbin structure. We are going to make a mini vertical box with a lid on top of that flips open and closes. First, take a piece of cardboard and cut out of the following panels: front and back panel, two side panel, one base panel, and a top lid attached with a hinge or tape like a flap. Assemble all side panel using glue or strong tape to form a proper box. Attach the base panel at the bottom. Leave the top open and attach the lid only from the back side so it can open and close like a flap. Now let's mount the components. Take the servo motor. Stick the servo motor inside the box near the back top edge using glue. Attach the servo horn to the underside of the lid. This will allow the servo to lift and close the lid by rotating. Now take the ultrasonic sensor HC-SR04. Attach the ultrasonic sensor so the two eyes peek out, just like robot eyes. Use the glue to fix it in place. Take the Arduino. Now let's set up the connections. Now for ultrasonic sensor, connect it VCC to 5V on Arduino, its GND to GND on Arduino. Connect its trig pin to pin 9 on the Arduino and its echo to pin 10. Now let's connect servo motor. Its orange means signal pin to pin 11 on Arduino, VCC to 5V, and this brown means GND to GND on Arduino. Make sure to double check your connection with the circuit diagram. Now download the code and library files given in the description below. Open the code file in the Arduino IDE. We start by including the servo library, which allows us to control the servo motor easily with simple commands. Now we define trigger underscore pin and echo underscore pin for the ultrasonic sensor, servo underscore pin for the servo motor, max underscore distance to decide whether the lid should open. Here we have set it within 20 cm. You may vary it according to your requirements. This line creates a servo object that will be used to send commands to the motor. Inside the setup function, start serial communication for debugging. Set trigger pin as output and echo pin as input. Attach the servo motor to its pin. This is a loop function where all actions run repeatedly. Now we send a 10 microsecond pulse from the trigger pin. Then we measure the time duration it takes for the echo to bounce back. Convert the time duration into distance using the speed of sound. This formula gives us object distance from the sensor. If the object is distance 20 cm, it opens the lid with servo right 90. After 1 second, if no object is nearby, we close the lid with servo right function 0. This helps us see the live distance recordings and reading for debugging and calibration. We wait 1 second before starting the next sensor reading to avoid erratic behavior. Final output: hand detected within 20 cm, then lid opens, no hand, lid closes. Distance continuously shown on serial monitor, and that's it. Now upload your code to the Arduino. Then connect the Arduino Uno to your computer using the USB cable for uploading the code. Select ported board in the same menu, select the Arduino Uno. Now click on the upload button. Power the Arduino by using USB cable if you want to run it standalone. The power it with battery via DC power jack. Bring your hand close to the sensor and see the lid opens automatically. After a short delay, it closes back. And that's it for today's project. You have just built a mini smart dustbin that helps you stay hygienic and hands-free, all using simple components and cardboard. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for awesome Arduino projects.